Hi children, a happy morning. Today we are going to learn a new poem, Teacher's Pest. I would like to tell you what is a pest. Pest is an insect that annoys you. This poem is written by Ron Mendrick. Shall we move on to the poem?
Children, take your books, page number 27. I am going to read the first stanza of this poem. It was another day at school, and teacher smiled with sweet concern. She turned to mathematics and encouraged us to learn. It was the normal day at school. We reached the school and entered the classroom. The teacher also entered the classroom. She wished us good morning with a sweet smile. How you are greeting us by saying good morning or good afternoon or good evening. Like that, the teacher entered the class with a sweet smile. Now it was mathematics period and the teacher asked us to take our math book, and she started with the sums of multiplication. The second stanza of this poem. I sat in silence, gloomily, twiddling both my thumbs. I tried my best to concentrate on multiplication sums. I sat in silence, gloomily. Here, gloomily means feeling bored. In this stanza, the poet is talking about his own experience. Now, the question raises, why he sat in silence? When you don't like anything, you don't understand anything, when you don't feel like writing anything, you feel bored. So, you sit silently without taking interest in the subject. So, what happens when you are feeling very sad and you don't understand anything in the class? What will you do? You just start playing with the thumbs like this. See the picture. Does it happen with you in the class? Likewise, the poet also started playing with his thumbs. The meaning of the word twiddling is playing. Twiddling means playing. The poet tried his best to concentrate on multiplication sums, but he was unable to get anything. Shall we move on to the third stanza? Teacher sat down in her chair, spectacles balanced on her nose, when suddenly she gasped aloud and like a statue froze. After doing the multiplication sums on the board, the teacher sat down in her chair. The teacher was adjusting the spectacles on her nose. You can see it in the picture. And suddenly, what happens? There is a pest inside the classroom. Here, the pest is the spider. The teacher saw the spider. After seeing that spider coming closer to her, she just froze. She started shouting aloud and she was like a statue. Means she couldn't move anywhere. She was at her same position only. The fourth stanza of this poem. A spider had descended from its home up on the ceiling. Teacher sat there transfixed, quite afraid with feeling. Here, descended means came down. Ceiling, the top. Transfixed means too frightened to move. Afraid, frightened. When the spider came down from the ceiling, the teacher was really shocked. She was unable to move. She didn't move even little from her chair. She was scared of the spider. Shall we move on to the fifth stanza of this poem? Her face turned into a pure white mask. Her eyes were glazed with fear. And as the spider peered at her, one thing was very clear. Here, glazed. What is the meaning for glazed? Means dull. Peered means looked. When you fear something, when suddenly supposed terrible things come in front of you, for example, if you happen to see a cockroach or lizard or scorpion, what is the expression of your face? You become pale, means the face becomes white. You are unable to move in fear. So, these were the feelings that the teacher was experienced that time. Now, as the spider looked at her, one thing was very clear. Let's see what was clear. The last stanza of this poem. Teachers are also human. They have fears like you and me. That's what I learnt in school today. And my heart is filled with glee. Glee means happiness. The teachers are also human beings like other people. Just like children can be scared of subjects, wild animals like lion, tiger, etc. So same way teachers can also be scared this type of pest. I found that teachers also fear just like I fear. So that was the lesson I learned in the school today, and my heart is filled with happiness. The summary of the poem. It was a normal day at school and the teacher entered the class with a sweet smile. She has started teaching the mathematics and encouraged the children to learn. But the poet sat silently. He started twiddling both his thumbs. He tried his best to concentrate on the multiplication sums, but he couldn't. The teacher sat down in her chair and she was adjusting her spectacles on her nose. Then she suddenly saw a spider descended from its home up on the ceiling. She was frightened. Then her face turned into pure white mask. Then the spider peered at her. From this, one thing was very clear. What was very clear? Teachers also human beings. They have fears like you and me. That's what he learnt in school today. And his heart was filled with happiness. Children, go through this poem. Memorize the first 3 stanzas of this poem. Thank you.